Assalamualaikum grade 4. Today we are going to discuss question number 4, 5 and 6 of page number 49. In the previous lecture we covered question number 1, 2 and 3. Now let's start. Question number 4 is write greater than sign, less than sign or equal to. In this question we are going to compare the fraction. So part A is 3 by 7, 6 by 7. Dear students, when the denominators are same, we are going to compare the numerators. So 6 is greater than 3, 3 is less than 6. So the sign is this. 3 by 7 is less than 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is greater than 3 by 7. Part B, 5 by 8 and 3 by 6. In this part, we have different numerators and different denominators. So what we can do, first we will make the denominators same through LCM. Dear students, we have to observe that which number is divisible by both these numbers. Let's find out by taking LCM. So 5 by 8 and 3 by 6. First we will make the factors of 8 and 6 denominators. 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now we will make the factor of 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 8 and 6 are 2 into 2 into 2 and 6. Prime factor of 6 are 2 into 3. Now we will find the common factor, that is 2. Dear students, you already know the formula of LCM. So the formula of LCM is common factor multiplied by non-common factor. Common factor is 2 and non-common factor is 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will multiply these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24. Now, so I found 24 that is divisible by 8 and 6 both numbers. So we have to make the denominator 24. First we will multiply by 3, 8 3s are 24 and multiply by 3 both numerator and denominator. And here 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. So multiply by both numerator and denominator, 4 and 4. So 8 3s are 24, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12 and 6 4s are 24. Now dear students, look, denominators are same. Now we will compare numerators, that is 15 and 12. 15 is greater than 12, 12 is less than 15. So the sign is here, just like 15 by 24 is represented by 5 by 8. So 15 by 24 is greater than the other value, it is represented by 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is greater than the other value, 3 by 6. So 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 6. Part C, 5 by 8 and 5 by 8. Dear students, look, numerators are same and denominators are also same. We will put the sign of equality, equal to. Part D, if numerator for 6 by 8 and 6 by 7. Dear students, first of all we will compare numerators. If the numerators are the same, then we will compare the denominators. And in denominators we solve in such a way that if the denominator of one value is smaller and the other is larger, we will not consider the smaller value as smaller because it is opposite in the case of denominator. If the fraction has less value, the denominator it will be the greater. Dear students, in fraction when we compare denominator, जो छोटी वैल्यू होती है we consider that value a greater than the other. So 6/8 is less than 6/7. इसका डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा, हम साइन उसकी तरफ करेंगे, ठीक है. तो 6/7 is greater than 6/8. Question number 5 is write in ascending order. Dear students, you already know that ascending orders mean smaller to bigger. Now part A is 2/7, 6/7, 4/7 and 3/7. Denominators are same. Now we will check the numerators. So smaller numerator is 2. So 2/7, then 3/7, then 4/7 and then 6/7. Part B, denominators are same, then numerators, smaller numerator is 1, so 1/8, then 3/8, then 5/8 and then 7/8. Part C, smaller numerator is 3, 3/10, then 4/10, then 5/10, then 7/10. Part D, denominators are same, then smallest numerator are 2, so 2/9, 4/9, 6/9 and 8/9. Question number 6 is write in descending order. Dear students, you already know that descending orders means bigger to smaller. So part A is 4/6, 2/6, 3/6, 5/6. Now here denominators are same. Now we will check numerators. So bigger numerator is 5. So 5/6, then 4/6, then 3/6, then 2/6. Part B, denominators are same, then the bigger value is 8, numerator is 8, 8/7, 4/7, 3/7 and 1/7. Part C, larger numerator is 7, denominators are same, so 7/9, then 5/9, then 3/9 and 1/9. Part D, larger numerator is 9, so the denominators are same, so 9/10, then 8, 8/10, then 4, 4/10, then 2/10. Now students, today we are covered question number 4, 5 and 6.